This is one of the best kept secrets on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I believe the reason this method has remained so secretive is because the method is so simple that the Rubik's Cube would no longer be a mystery. Using only 2 moves and repeating those moves, you can pick up any Rubik's Cube, starting in any position. And just by repeating these 2 moves, solve the cube. All you have to do is start in any position and move the left side counterclockwise 1, and then move the front clockwise 1. And as long as you repeat those moves over and over, the cube will ultimately solve itself.